Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we will be making a wooden airplane, just like this one. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So in the kit that you picked up at the library, you'll find 2 jumbo craft sticks, a regular sized craft stick, and a mini craft stick. You'll also find a clothespin and some yarn. You'll also need some additional items: markers and glue. I'm choosing this tacky glue, but you can use school glue as well, or a glue gun. But if you use a glue gun, you would definitely need adult supervision. The other thing that's optional is a cup of water and a piece of tape. So let's clear off our workspace and get started. So the optional cup of water is for our plane propeller. If you want to make your propeller twisted like this, soak it in a cup of water for about 5 minutes or so, and then take it out and twist it. You'll have to let it dry before you color it or anything else. So it won't just twist and stay on its own, it has to be wet. So I did this before. I'm going to use this as my propeller. And you can go ahead and color our parts of our plane. So your plane is going to assemble like this, and these are the wings, and then the propeller will go on like this. So go ahead and color your pieces of your airplane. You may want to put some paper down or something to protect your workspace. And when you color your clothespin, make sure to get all the places that you can see. And you can twist it open a little bit to get underneath here. All right, so now that everything is colored, you may have to go wash your hands. And now we can assemble. The first thing that we are going to do is go ahead and get your glue and decide how our wings will go. So we'll go ahead and assemble. Now what we're going to do is put some glue right in the center of your wing and glue it on top. You can wipe off any excess glue or just leave it and it'll dry. And again, put the glue right in the center of your back wing there. And then we'll go ahead and flip it over. The glue is still wet, so you can either wait a little bit or just flip it over, apply some pressure, and go ahead, put your glue in the center of this wing, just like a line of glue, and then glue that on there. And just let this dry for a little bit. So once this is pretty dry, flip it over and decide on where and how you'd like your propeller to go. I want mine a little bit angled, so I'm just going to go ahead and put some glue on the propeller in the middle and put it on my plane a little bit angled where I want it to be. And I'm going to let it dry like this. Now, once your glue dries, this is an optional step. If you want your plane to hang up, then you can use this string here, this yarn. If you do want it to hang, make sure the plane is dry. Put your string through the metal hole there. If it's not going through, you may need to wrap it in some tape. Okay, so, and then put it underneath the wings, and then bring it back underneath the wings and tie it off twice, once, and twice, and then tie this together. Go ahead and make a loop and tie that off. You might need some scissors if you want to cut the excess. All right, so there's your flying plane. So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your airplane, and I hope you'll come to see us at the library or for another DIY event. Have a great day, friends. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.